So today we remember Saraswati and go with the Nakshatra Sukta, and though it is a part of repetition, we would like to do the first 4 one and then go for the next where we stopped, because there will be completion of the Nakshatra Sukta recording also. And so this particular Nakshatra Sukta, then Navagraha Sukta and Mahasamrajya Pattabhisheka, these 3 form a good unit for Shanti, prosperity and all that. Now, because Nakshatras and Navagrahas and the Samrajya Pattabhisheka all are connected and they are useful to us, and this is how our Vedic tradition prescribes. So though you are familiar, but our Veda mantras are such that anytime you read them, they look new to you. And you don't remember that I read it already. If you are committed to your memory, you may enjoy the memory flow. Otherwise, we will be learning now more and more. And this particular Nakshatra Sukta is a contribution from Yajurveda. It is found in the Taittiriya Brahmana and Taittiriya Samhita. And therefore, why it is found in the Yajurveda Nakshatras? Because Yajurveda means sacrifices. Whenever you want to do sacrifice, you should always pick up Subha Nakshatra, Subha Yoga, Subha Karana, etc. Therefore, the Nakshatra. But fortunately, all Nakshatras are Subha Nakshatras only. That we have got to take it for granted. You can't say Dushta Nakshatra or otherwise. No, all Nakshatras are good. But our Grahachara is only to be considered. And accordingly, Nakshatra also varies. If you are a lucky boy or lucky girl, all Nakshatras are lucky. And therefore, the dosha is not in Nakshatra, dosha is in the individuals. Because we are always papins, we are prone for Durita. We are susceptible for Durita. That's why we say Durita Chaya. And that becomes a gateway, Dwara. And when once you Durita Chaya is over, when you stand at the entrance, then Parameswara Preeti will take place automatically. Therefore, we have to try to appease the Nakshatras, Nakshatradhipatis, not only appease them, but also we should mention what kind of work they should do for you. Because Nakshatras don't know anything, gods don't know anything. Whenever you talk of Nakshatra, again the same Vedic gods, like Agni, Indra, Pushan, Varuna, they once again reappear. Therefore, all gods, all Vedic gods are a great flow. We can't have all situations in our life so that our life turns out to be a smooth life, a pleasant life, an interesting life. Therefore, let us go quickly for these 4 mantras, 4 mantras, and then go to the next one. And according to the Yajurveda, our counting of the stars go not from Ashwini, Bharani, Kritika, but it goes with the Kritika Nakshatra. So that is the 3rd. Ashwini, Bharani are shunted off to the concluding part of the Sukta. Ashwini, Bharani, and here it becomes Kritika. However, the Mesha Rasi, the Zodiac signs begin from the normal order. Therefore, this Kritika Nakshatra we are going to discuss now. That is called, and even Subramanya Swami is also known for. And who is Subramanya Swami? Is again Agni, because he is Agni Bija. That is Shiva. And Agni Deva also, Agni could not bear him. So that Kumara Swami had number of transits to come into the world. It's a very unique stage for the god. Because Tarakasura was such a tough demon that he wanted to be killed, and he had hundreds of conditions. But among that, The Shiva Parvati Tanaya Kumara alone is capable of putting him down. Therefore, the Kartik or Kritika Nakshatra, which is an Agni Nakshatra also, and which is also, Agni is taken to be also the source, and the Agni is the child of waters, and therefore, and this Agni Nakshatra, Kritika, is a very, very, very powerful, strong, great sensitivity also is there. Therefore, it begins like that. Om Agnihi Patu Kritika. Okay. Nakshatram Devamindriyam Idamasam Vichakshanam Havirasam Juhotana Yasya Bhanti Rasmayo Yasyema Visva Bhuvanani Sarva Sakritikabhihi Samvasana Agnirno Devaha Subhite Dadhatu. So the very opening of this Kritika Nakshatra, being Agni Nakshatra, the prayer is Patu, protect. Kritikaha Patu, Naha Patu. Kaha Kritikaha, what is that Kritika? Agni. Because it is Agni, the inaugural god for all sacrificial activity. We will make Agni Adhana. We please Agni, we make Agni Pratisthana, and afterwards only other procedures will follow. Therefore, we make prayer to Agni, Naha Patu. And this is a Nakshatram, Agni Nakshatram or Kritika Nakshatram, means it is a high expanse and never decays or diminishes or size is same. And Nakshatram. And also Indriyam Devam. So Indriya is strongest, sensitive and active, energetic. And Devam, illumined. That is, Devatva means having certain features that qualifies the status of being a god or being an illumined body or luminous body. So Kritika Nakshatra is a self-luminous body, and it is the embodiment of Agni, and so the Kritika Nakshatra people would have all the Agni characteristics in their conduct and behavior, and they are intelligent also because they are very quick. Asam Vichakshanam Idam. So the characteristics will be very much wise and well spread, and therefore our prayer is there to Kritika Nakshatra is Havihi A Samjuhotana. O Kritika Nakshatraadhipati, Agni Deva, please accept our offering into the fire Vedi. So Havihi A Samjuhotana, not leaving any portion unaccepted. Completely, with all sincerity, please accept all my offerings. So that's it, complete, because there may be a portion picked up, nothing like that. Asam Juhota. And Yasyanti, Bhanti is plural. Bha is verb. Bhati, Bhantaha. Bhati means shining in singular. Bhanti, plural, Bhavachanam. So Ketavaha Rasmayaha, the rays, the knowledge and also grace of these nakshatras will shine forth very much. And moreover, not only at one place, at your sacrificial hall, Yasya Vishwa Bhuvanani Ima Sarva. So Vishwa Bhuvanani, there are 14 Bhuvanas are there. 14 lokas are there. So all over it has got its pervasiveness. Therefore, Bhuvanani, Sarva Bhuvanani, Vishwa, Sarva, bhavanani imaha. And sa kritikabhihi samrasanaha. Sa is Agni. Agni Deva is always associated, going together with the Kritika Nakshatra. Therefore, Kritika Karti, or it is what they Agni. And so we make that Agni and Kritika Nakshatras are inseparable. Therefore, also we say Kritika Nakshatra is quite hot. In summer, we call it, we also experience that Kritika Nakshatra sun, who is very much hot. And so again, Sahakaha no Devaha Agni. Though Agni has got hundreds of powers, but he is our protector, he is our God, he is our person. Therefore, we request him, Suvite Dadhatu. So let him endo upon us quite good grace and protection and blessings to us. Next nakshatram, Nagendra, please repeat, Amma. Om Prajapate Rohini Vetu.
Om Prajapate Rohini Vetu. Prajapate Rohini Vetu.
Patni.
Patni. Patni.
Vishwarupa Bruhati Chitrabhanu.
Vishwarupa Bruhati Chitrabhanu. Vishwarupa Bruhati Chitrabhanu.
Sa no Yagnasya.
Sa no Yagnasya. Sa no Yagnasya.
Suvite Dadhatu.
Suvite Dadhatu. Suvite Dadhatu.
Yatha Jivema.
Yatha Jivema. Yatha Jivema.
Sharadasa Viraha.
Sharadasa Viraha. Sharadasa Viraha.
Rohini Devi.
Rohini Devi. Rohini Devi.
Udagat Purastatu.
Udagat Purastat. Udagat Purastat.
Vishwarupani.
Vishwarupani. Vishwarupani.
Pratimodamana.
Pratimodamana. Pratimodamana.
Prajapatigum.
Prajapatigum. Prajapatigum.
Avishavardhayanti.
Avishavardhayanti. Avishavardhayanti.
Priya devanamupayatu yagnam.
Priya devanamupayatu yagnam. Priya devanamupayatu yagnam.
So one more point is that there is the interference of the blessings of all nakshatras for our total life of happiness running for 100 years. And all that 100 years must be as much happy as we have got during the Sarat Kala. Sarat season is supposed to be the best season among all seasons. Therefore, Sarat season and Vasanta season, when the sky will be clear. Therefore, we have best Utsavas, Vasanta Navaratri and Saran Navaratri. These are the two seasons where you have plenitude of celebrations. And so, here also we are making the Rohini Nakshatra. Rohini is ascendance, growth, prosperity, development, and that is what is called Rohini. And Prajapati is connected to that because Prajapati is always connected, is always working, and so we make a prayer. Prajapate Patni Rohini Vetu. Vetu means no. Let us realize that this is that Prajapati connection. And moreover, who is this Vishwarupa Bruhati Chitrabhanu? See, the words are so significant and also telling you a lot of information. So Chitrabhanu means motley, not having one characteristic only, but different characteristics or different emanations are there. So even in the light, there is a kind of multitudinous, something like the Newton disk we call it. Though it is white, if you put colors to that, 24 colors, you will get that. That's why it is called as Chitrabhanu. And opposite could be Swabhanu. Swabhanu means singularized. And Chitrabhanu is multitudinous. Therefore, Ilenatandre Chitrabhanu. And again, and Sano Jagnasya Suvite Dadhatu. Viti is the present, is the gifts, is the rewards and awards. Suviti means that are relevant to you, because gods must also know what kind of shopping they should make for you. They can't bring the shop entire to you with dislike. No, I'm going to give some present to Sudha and family. So what kind of it? I can like it. So good shopping, that's what is called as Suviti. Viti is the blessing. Suviti, Sukham, Viti, Suviti, that which will be liked. The moment you look at the gift, you feel, oh, I like it, so nice it is. That kind of a surprise and appreciation must come. That's what is called Suviti. So the gods will always present to us what we like most. Suviti. And again, Dadhatu yatha jive masaradhas savira. So savira means with health, wealth, prosperity, growth. All that is there with viratva, strong. So strong and health. What should we do? Satam. We want to live 100 atoms. Satam jivema saradaha. So we have to live for Sharat seasons, 100 Sharat seasons, not anyway getting any kind of problems. And who is that who can bless you? Is Rohini Devi. Amma Rohini Devi Udadat Purastatu. She is emanated, or she leads you forward. Before you, she is guiding you. And then Vishwarupani Pratimodamana. See, Moda, Pratimoda. Moda is happiness and enjoyment. Pratimoda is responsive for that. Repeatedly, she will give you happiness. So, Pratimodamana, Vishwarupani. So, Rupani and the forms. So you have got so many kinds of species in the world. So for all those who have got Rupa and Nama, they are to be comforted with your puja, with the Rohini Nakshatra. Therefore, Vishwarupani Pratimodamana Prajapatigum Havisha Vardhayanti. So she has also got the responsibility to give more strength for Prajapati, the creator. Prajanam Patihi Prajapatihi. Praja. Ja is birth. And pra is praseshena. Distinguished birth is called Praja. Prajapatehe Prajababhuma is the Yajurveda prayer. What is your target in life? To become best citizens of the, or best children of the Prajapati. Like that, here also, Prajapatigum Havisha Vardhayanti. And again, Priya Devanam Upayatu Yagnam. So who is this Rohini Nakshatra? Devanam Priya. She is always interested to do good for gods. Priyam Karoti Yasa Priya. So Devatagalage Ellargu Preeti Untai Maduttale. Therefore, all gods depend upon her grace. So Priya Devanam, such kind of Devi, Rohini, what she should do? Yagnam Upayatu. To my effort hall or my sacrificial hall, let that Rohini Nakshatra with Prajapati and all gods arrive into my hall and bless me for easy life, for 100 clear life, clear living. At the same time, give us relevant gifts and see that I am kept happy, we are kept happy, and not only here, everywhere in the universe. Beautiful, is it not? So, Vasam, please recite. Somo Raja Mrugasirshena. Please repeat this. Somo Raja.
Somo Raja
Mrugasirshena Agan. Shivam Nakshatram. Priyamasya Dhama. Apyaya Mano Bahudha. Janeshu Reta Prajam Yajamane Yadhatu Yatte Nakshatram Mrugasir Shamasti Yagum Rajan Priyatamam Priyanam Tasmai Te Soma Havisha Vidhema Channa Edhi Vipadesham Chatushpade. So you see the importance and peculiarity of this nakshatra, where this Mrugasira nakshatra, where we make a prayer that it should give us prosperity to us, Syam Naha, happiness to us, one. And whatever happiness to us we have, that must be doubled. Edhi. Edhi means increase, enhance. Not only to me, Dvipade, for all bipeds, two-legged animals, for all humans otherwise, and Sham Chatushpade, for all the four-legged animals, or plural-legged animals. Because we got octopus also, eight-legged, four-legged. So jivas are being counted depending upon legs. And also legs or no legs. This is the variety among animals. So legs is a standard. No legs means you've got serpents. Serpents have no legs. They only crawl. So crawling creatures are there, and running creatures are there, or walking creatures are there who use their legs. And two legs and four legs and so on. So to all the modes of beings in the creation, to all of them, this Mrugasira nakshatra should give happiness. Beautiful idea. And again, who is the Lord of this? He is Somo Raja Mrugasir Shenagan. Agan means comes. He visits. With that Soma, in the form of a Mrugasirsha. Who is Soma? He is a Raja. Raja has two meanings. One is the king or lordship, and Raja is brilliant. Because the leader is supposed to be highly brilliant and is the first person to lead all people. Therefore, this Mrugasir Shena Adam. And what about this Mrugasira? Shivam Nakshatram. Basically, Mrugasirsha is a Shiva Nakshatra. Shiva means Shanti Nakshatra, Mangala Nakshatra. And it is not emotionally affected, but it is a very nice one. Therefore, you see those people who are born in Mrugasira Nakshatra, They are all in top ranking positions. They have got high achievements in their own educational career and also in family life. And mostly they will have more sons than daughters. And so there are some characteristics if you go to that Mrugashirsha people and 1, 2, 3 padas and all that. So that's why Mruga and Asya Dhama Shivam. Not only that, Dhama andre residential quarters. The living loka of this Mrugashirsha is always Priyam, loved ones. So that means to say that the loka in which Mrugasira Nakshatra lives is comfortable. In other words, those people who are born in Mrugasira will have a comfortable living, wonderful place, wonderful living, and all that will be there. That's why Asya Dhama Priyam. And those people who are born in Mrugashirsha or Mrugashirsha by itself, Apyayamano Bahudha Janeshu. Jana andre people. Generally, Trupti Karavagittar avaru. They will please others and others will also please them. That is the nature of the Mrugashirsha Nakshatra. They will be very soft and never, always adjustable, because it is called Janeshu Bahudha Apyayamanaha. Janeshu, among people in the society, Apyayana is appeasement. So they will be always in the manner of appeasement, and that is the nature of the Mrugasira Nakshatra. And what is our prayer for such wonderful Nakshatra? Yat retaha prajam yajamane dadhatu. Retaha is the strength, energy, the essence of energy in our body. The same, they say retaha is annasya rasaha vai retaha. In Shatapada Brahmana, Yajurveda tells you that is the essence of the food that we consume. And even Aruna Prashna, you got prayer for the Indriya, Retas, and Surya Bhagavan or Agni Deva. They are the responsible people to keep you stronger. Therefore, Retaha, and again Prajam, progeny. Prajam is progeny. So not only strength in the body, but it must be a productive progeny that they should have. So adanna yajamanaralli kodi, yagna yagadi poojagalanu parayana stotra and etc. Madavarige neevu karunisi, you please bless O Mrugasira Nakshatra, because te nakshatram yatu Mrugasirsham asti, because your nakshatra goes by the name Mrugashirsha. And Mrugashirsha is nothing like Narasimha Swami. He is the Mrugashirsha. We have 4 avatars of Vishnu which have got Mruga head. Therefore, Narasimha Avatara is the last one where there is a combination. So here also Mrugasirsham asti and Priyagum Rajan Priyatamam Priyanam. Beautiful characteristic here. What is Rajan Priyam Priyatamam Priyanam? So prema, positive and superlative. Vasan, we have only 2 degrees of comparison in Sanskrit. One is positive and another superlative. So positive and superlative degrees of comparison you find to the Mrugasira Nakshatra. Priyam Rajan, oh Rajan, your nakshatra is sweet. And not only that, Priyatamam, sweeter, best. And to whom it is sweet and sweeter, Priyanam, those who respect you, who love you, who revere you, and who like you, etc. All to all of them, you are very, very loving. So loving people gets more and more loved by the Mrugasira Nakshatra. You may be having some friends born in Mrugasira Nakshatra. You can always test them. They will not quarrel with you because they always speak very soft. And see that they win the argument and you oblige them. And therefore, Tasmai te soma havisha videma. O Soma Deva, O Soma Raja, to such you we are offering oblations. Havisha videma. Havihi is oblation. And you know, each nakshatra has got some specific. Ki is a common oblation or ahuti to all gods. But besides that, we can choose some special dravyas for as havis to offer in the Yajna. ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆ ಕೊನೆಗೆ ಏನು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಮೃಗಶಿರ ನಕ್ಷತ್ರಕ್ಕೆ ಅಥವಾ ಅದನ್ನು ಓವರ್ಲಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡುವ ಸೋಮರಾಜನಿಗೆ ಏನು ಶಂ ಪದೇ ಏಧಿ ಏಧಿ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ enhance. We have gained prosperity and we have to make a request that he must grow, because growth, enhancement, prosperity, all these must be there with us. Therefore, so this Mrga Nakshatra is all good. So you observe, no Nakshatra is derided. No Nakshatra is shown to be as not enthusiastic. All Nakshatras are benefic. Therefore, we are not untrue when we make in our sankalpa per day in our puja, Shubha Nakshatra, Shubha Yoga, Shubha Karana, Evam Guna we say. So what is the Shubha? Shubha is the Guna, quality, best quality. So best quality Nakshatra, best quality Yoga, best quality Karana. This is what we talk about the Panchanga. Ardraya Rudraha Prathamana Eti Sreshto Devanam Patiragniyanam Nakshatramasya Havisha Vidhema Mana Prajagum Ririshan Mota Viran Keti Rudrasya Parino Vrunakto Ardra Nakshatram Jushatagum Havirnaha Ramunchamano Durita Niviswa Apa Adha Shagumsam Mudakamaratim. So again, this Ardra Nakshatra is Rudra Nakshatra. And this Rudra is the chief person in the Yajurveda. The Namakam, Chamakam, and many Rudra mantras are there in Yajurveda. Why? Because in Yajurveda we have got a great sacrifice by name Agni Chayana sacrifice. Agni Chayana andrenu, it is a building of the fire altar in the falcon shape. And that itself is a big process. There are 7 chapters of mantras are there, formulas are there. It is of 21 days performance. Agni Chayana, to build a fire altar. And when you build a fire altar for Agni, by the time 15 chapter, with all the operations, the Agni becomes very much strong and potential and angry, wrath. And the Lord of Agni is but the personification of Rudra. And therefore, in Rudra, you observe the first paragraph is appeasement of Rudra. Afterwards only, Namo Hiranyabahave Senanye Disham Jabataye Namaha. Like that, you go slowly. It is something like the ocean. For a furlong or so, you find the waves threatening you not to enter. When once you cross that furlong or about that distance in the ocean, then the ocean is so luxurious, calm, quiet. The ocean ride is wonderful. Therefore, even Rudra is also like that. If he is so ferocious and angry and that, if you appease him, Namaste Rudra Manyavavuto Taishave Namaha. So for his banas, for his weapons, and for all that personality, we approach. The same thing is the Ardra Nakshatra here. And Rudra has chosen the Ardra Nakshatra because Ardra andre Karuna. From whom we want Karuna? A person who is strong, but very much helpful. That's why it's called Karana. That Ardrata Hiranyavarnam Harinim Chandram Hiranmayim Lakshmim. And also she is called Ardram Yakkarinim Yashtim Ardram. I hope you understood the emphasis on the word Ardra. So Ardra is not dry, it is wet. When things are wet, it is possible for us to meddle. When they are dry, hard. You can't crack a nut, but you can crack a biscuit, is it not? So hard, so beautiful it is. So like that, Ardra. And Rudra is something like a wood. Wood is hard at the same time soft. You can cut the wood to the size of your nature. You can make doors, windows, tables, all that. But you can't break the wood, table so with your sister. You have to. So that's why Rudra is basically a great man. That's why you see even Narasimha Swami also like that. He's a Mruga. Mrugam na bhima kucharo gerishta. So Mrugam. Andre Arthain Ugram, Veeram, Mahavishnum, Jwalantam, Sarvato Mukham, Nrusimham, Bhishanam. What are all these words? Make you terrified. He is a terrorist for Hiranyakasipu. How that? So he's a terrorist. But so is Veeram. But last word is Bhadram. That word Bhadram gives us all peace and assurance. This kind of Ugrava is not real, but we are not to be scared. It's going to be Ardra. Therefore, here Ardraya Rudraha Prathamana Eti, he will be growing, rising high and high, exaltant. This Ardra Nakshatra, Sreshto Devanam Pati, he is the Devanam Pati, but Sreshta. That's why in the Mahanyasam, you say, Sarvo Hi Rudra, Tasmai Rudra Yanamo. So, Rudra is all in all. And again, Agriyanam Pati. Agri andre Pachu, cows. That's why he's called Pachupati. Pachunam Patim Papanasham. Like that, the stotra goes. And in Sivananda Lahari, I know you are not attending Sivananda Lahari because right in the morning, hard time. But we are going to get a wonderful ideas of Shankara and Sivananda Lahari. When we explain that, we understand the real personality features of Rudra or Shiva. Anyway, Agniyanam Pati, that is Pashupati. And Nakshatram ya Havisha Vidhema Asya Nakshatram Ardra Nakshatram. What do you do with that? Havisha Vidhema Vidhiyagi. Andre ಶಾಸ್ತ್ರಬದ್ಧವಾಗಿ ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಆಹುತಿಗಳನ್ನು ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸವಿಷಾ ವಿಧೇಮ. So ಅದರಿಂದ what he has got to do for us, these are all the important things. Because those people who are in anger, it is very difficult to predict them. Can you predict an angry man? Don't know. He may throw biscuit, he may throw duster, he may throw even anything. Like that, weapons are there in his hand, he will throw the weapons upon. Therefore, we make a prayer, Mana Prajagam Ririshaha Mota Viran. Sir, please don't disturb our people. People are important. Therefore, Mana Ririshaha means Himse. ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಜೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಹಿಂಸೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಡ. ಈಗ ಹಿಂಸೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನಲ್ಲ COVID-19 ಅಂತ ಹೆಸರಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡು, ಆ ಹಿಂಸೆಯನ್ನು ಆ ಪಶುಪತಿಯಾಗಿಯವರ ಶಿವನೇ ತೆಗೆದಾಕಬೇಕು. ನಾವೇನು ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಯಿಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಮೂಗಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಕವರ್ ಹಾಕೊಂತೀವಿ. ಆದರೆ ಶಿವ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಸೀ ದಟ್ that coverage should be removed. Slowly we have to get rid of it. Yaro hakida Singapore alli, no request, no caution. Simply if you don't have a Muti coverage, they will arrest and take away. Therefore, ಆ ತರ ಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಇಂಡಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಉದ್ಧಾರ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದೇವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇವರು ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಬೇಡ, ಯು ಶುಡ್ ವೇರ್ ದಟ್ ಮಾಸ್ಕ್. ಸೊ ಮಾನ ಪ್ರಜಾಗುಂ ರೀರಿಷಃ. ಅಗೈನ್ ಮೋತ ವೀರಾನ್. Veeras are the doctors, the nurses, the medical workers, paramedical workers, the soldiers, etc. They are the protectors and all that. Therefore, Mota Veeran. Ma Uta Veeran. Uta means end and Chame. Chame antivalva. So Agnis Chama Indras Chame. So Agni and Indra also like that. Here Mota and Veeran. And for all that, what is that? Heti Rudrasya Parino Vrunaktu. Naha Parivrunaktu. Rudrasya Hetihi Parivrunaktu. Means let Rudra's Heti andre Katti Ayuda. Rudrana ಆಯುಧಗಳು ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ರಕ್ಷಣೆ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಪ್ರಯೋಗ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಪರಿವೃಣಕ್ತು ಪರಿ ತಗೊಂಡೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ವೃಣಕ್ತು ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಆವಾಗ ವರ್ಬ್ಗೆ ಬರ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಪರಿ ನಹ ವೃಣಕ್ತು. ಯಾವುದು? ರುದ್ರಸ್ಯ ಹೇತಿ, ದಿ ಸ್ವೋರ್ಡ್ ಆಫ್ ರುದ್ರ. ಅಂಡ್ ಸೊ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ರುದ್ರನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಕಮ್ ಟು ದಿ ನಕ್ಷತ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆರ್ದ್ರ ನಕ್ಷತ್ರಂ ಜುಷತಾಗುಂ ನಹಾಹವಿಹಿ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ದೇವರಿಗೆ ಹವಿಸ್ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದೇವರೇ ಆ ಹವಿಸ್ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. ಕೆರೆಯ ನೀರನ್ನು ಕೆರೆಗೆ ಚಲ್ಲಿ ಹುಚ್ಚಪ್ಪ ಗಳಿರ ಅಂತ. ಕೆರೆಯ ನೀರನ್ನು ಕೆರೆಗೆ ಹಾಕೋದಷ್ಟೇ, ನಮ್ದೇನಿಲ್ಲ. ವಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಬೀನ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಟು ಅಸ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಗಿವ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್. ಯು ಆರ್ ದಿ ಗಿಫ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಗಾಡ್. What good work you do is a gift back to God. Therefore, there should be the barter, gift to and gift back. ಅದರಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಏನು ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನಾ? ನಕ್ಷತ್ರಂ ಆರ್ದ್ರ ನಕ್ಷತ್ರಂ ನಹ ಹವಿಹಿ ಜುಷತಾಂ. ನಮಗೆ ಹವಿಸ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವ ಹವಿಸ್ಸನ್ನು ಮತ್ತೆ ಅವ್ರ ಹಿಂದೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಅವರು ಅಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಜುಷತಾಂ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯಿಂದ ಅಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ. ಜುಷತಾಮ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವಿತ್ ಲವ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಅಫೆಕ್ಷನ್. ಗುಣಗಾಡ್ತಾ ಅಲ್ಲ, ನೋ ಗುಣಗಾಟ, ಪ್ರೀತಿಯಿಂದ. ಅದರಿಂದ ನೀವು ಮೇಧಾ ಸೂಕ್ತಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಿ, ಸುಮನಸ್ಯ ಮಾನ ಸುಪ್ರತೀಕ ಮೇಧಾ ಜುಷಮಾಣ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಈ ಮೇಧಾದೇವಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು? ಪ್ರೀತಿಯಿಂದ, ಪ್ರೀತಿಯಾದ ಮನಸ್ಸಿಂದ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಮುಖ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರಬೇಕು. ಹಾಗೆ ಈ ಆರ್ದ್ರ ನಕ್ಷತ್ರ ಕೂಡ ನೈನು ಪ್ರಮುಂಚಮಾನೋ ದುರಿತಾನಿ ವಿಶ್ವಾ. ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನೋ ದೋಷಗಳಿದೆ. ವಿ ನೋ ಸಮ್, ವಿ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ಮೆನಿ. ಸೊ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಪಾಪಗಳು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ವಿ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ದಿ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಿನ್ಸ್. ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಸಿನ್ಸ್, ಪ್ರೈವೇಟ್ ಸಿನ್ಸ್, ಓಪನ್ ಸಿನ್ಸ್, ಸೀಕ್ರೆಟ್ ಸಿನ್ಸ್, ಸೈಕಲಾಜಿಕಲ್ ಸಿನ್ಸ್. ಓ ಗಾಡ್, ಮೆನಿ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್. ಅದರಿಂದ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಕೂಡ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು? ವಿಶ್ವಾ ದುರಿತಾನಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು? ಪ್ರಮುಂಚ ಮಾನವು. ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ ಬಿಡುಗಡೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಪ್ರಮುಂಚ ಮಾನವ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡೆಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇಫ್ ಆಲ್ ಅವರ್ ಪಾಪಾಸ್ ಆರ್ ಡಿಲೀಟೆಡ್, ವಿ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಶಾಂತಿ. ಇಫ್ ಅವರ್ ಫಿಯರ್ ಇಸ್ ಡಿಲೀಟೆಡ್, ದೆನ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಪೀಸ್ಫುಲ್. ದೇರ್ಫೋರ್ ಪ್ರಮುಂಚ ಮಾನವು ದುರಿತಾನಿ. ಅಂಡ್ ಅಗೈನ್ ಅಘಂ. ನೋಡಿದ್ರ, ನಮ್ಮ ಪಾಪಗಳನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನೀನು ದುರಿತ ಅಂಡ್ ಅಘ, ದೇ ಆರ್ ದಿ ಟೂ ಡೇಂಜರಸ್ ವೆರೈಟೀಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಿನ್ಸ್. ದೇರ್ಫೋರ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನಗಳು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅಘನಾಶನ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅಂಡ್ ದುರಿತ ಕ್ಷಯ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ದಿ ವರ್ಬ್ಸ್. ದುರಿತವನ್ನು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದುರಿತ ರೆಫರ್ಸ್ ಟು ದಿ ಬಿಹೇವಿಯರ್. ನಮ್ಮ ಬಿಹೇವಿಯರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಕಾಂಡಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರಿగా ಅರಿಬೇಕು. ಇವಾಗ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಾಲ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ? ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕಾಂಡಕ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರಿ ಅಂತ ಕೊಡ್ತಾನೆ. ನೆವರ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗಿವ್ ಎಕ್ಸಲೆಂಟ್ ಆರ್ ಗುಡ್. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ನೀವು ಅಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾಗ ಅವ್ರು ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರಿ ಇದ್ದೀರಂತ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಹಾಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ apa, agham. And again, sham, sam, sham, sham andre shanti. ನಿಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ, ಭಾಗ್ಯ, ಭೋಗ ಎಲ್ಲದೂ ಕೂಡ ಪುಷ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಬರಬೇಕು, ಶಾಂತವಾಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಅಂಡ್ ಅಗೈನ್ ಅರಾತಿಂ ನುದತಾಂ. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಶತ್ರುಗಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿರೋ ನೆಗೆಟಿವಿಟಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಡ್ರಿವನ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಅರಾತಿ ಅಂದ್ರೇನು, ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಮ, ಕ್ರೋಧ, ಲೋಭ, ಮೋಹ, ಮದ, ಮತ್ಸರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕಲ್ಯಾಣ ಗುಣಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಬಿದ್ದಿದೆ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ. ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು ಉದ್ಧತವಾದ್ರೂ ನಮಗೆ ಕಷ್ಟ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನಮ್ಮ ಅಂತಃಶತ್ರುಗಳನ್ನು, ಬಹಿಶತ್ರುಗಳನ್ನು, ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿರೋ ನೆಗೆಟಿವಿಟಿನಿ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಕೂಡ ನೀವು ನುದತಾಂ, ಅಪನುದತಾಂ, ಯು ಡ್ರೈವ್ ದೆಮ್ ಅವೇ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಮೀ. ಸೊ ನನ್ನಲ್ಲಿರೋದೆಲ್ಲ ದೂರ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮೇಕ್ ಮೀ ಕ್ಲೀನರ್, ಮೇಕ್ ಮೀ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಈ ರುದ್ರನಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಪಿಟಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ Ardha Nakshatra people are very much blessed by the Rudra. By Rudra, Rudra is again Agni. So Rudra is Agni, Rudra is Surya Bhagavan. Tamro Aruna Uta Babhrusu Mangalaha. So Rudra is Sumangala, Babhru Varna and Tamra Varna. So all these things tell that Rudra is a Surya Bhagavan. So that's why Rudra is embodiment of all gods. Therefore, when we do Rudra Homa, Rudra Japa, Rudra Dhyana, Rudra Parayana, etc., all these things will fetch us all kinds of benefits. Therefore, I think we could cover the first 4 nakshatras and mantras, whereat we have covered the Kritika Nakshatra, beautiful Rohini Nakshatra, wonderful Mrigasira Nakshatra, and powerful Ardra Nakshatra. So these 4 nakshatras have got their own characteristic greatness. And then, and ಆಮೇಲೆ ಯಾವಾಗ ನಿಮ್ ಅನುಕೂಲ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ನೀವೇ ನಕ್ಷತ್ರ ಹೋಮ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. ಇದು ಪುರೋಹಿತರು ಬರ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಇದೆ, ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದು. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವೇ ನಿಮ್ ಸಂಕಲ್ಪನೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಸೌಂದರ್ಯ ಲಹರಿ ಬುಕ್ಲೆಟ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಮ್ಯಾನ್ಯುಯಲ್, ಆ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ಯುಯಲ್ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವಾಗ ಸ್ಟೇಜಿಂದ ಸೌಂದರ್ಯ ಲಹರಿ ಶ್ಲೋಕಗಳನ್ನು ಓದೋಕೆ ಶುರು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಈ ಮಂತ್ರಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿ ಓಂಕಾರದಿಂದ ಸ್ವಾಹಾಕಾರವನ್ನು 30 ಆಹುತಿಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿ, ಬಿಫೋರ್ ದಟ್ ಯು ಮೇಕ್ ಗಣಪತಿ ಪೂಜಾ, ಅಥರ್ವ ಶೀರ್ಷ ಉಪನಿಷತ್ತು, ನಕ್ಷತ್ರ, ಅಂಡ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅ ಟೈಮ್ ನವಗ್ರಹ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಪೂರ್ಣಾಹುತಿ ಹಾಕಿ ಗೋವಿಂದ ಅನ್ರಿ. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನು ಶುಭ ಕಾರ್ಯಗಳು ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು, ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆಯೋ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ದಿ ಮಂಗಲ ಧ್ವನಿ ಇನ್ ಅವರ್ ಹೌಸ್. ವಿಲ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ದಟ್. ಸೊ ವಿತ್ ದೀಸ್ ಫ್ಯೂ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ನಕ್ಷತ್ರ ಸೂಕ್ತಂ, ಐ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ನಕ್ಷತ್ರ ಸೂಕ್ತ ಇನ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂ. And Om Sahana Vavatu. Please recite.